Let me show you how to fix no service on your iPhone. Now, if you go to make a call or receive calls, but you don't have any service on your iPhone, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is try to just toggle airplane mode on and then wait a few seconds and toggle airplane mode back off. What this does is it disconnects from your carrier and reconnects to it, and a lot of times fixes the issue. The next thing we're going to do, if that doesn't fix it, is we're going to check to see if there's a carrier update for your carrier. You can see if I scroll down, I currently have AT&T as my carrier. What you're looking for that in that about section is if it pops up and says carrier settings update, would you like to update them? Just tap on that update button. However, if you're in this about section and it doesn't pop up with that, then you have the latest version. You don't need to worry about that. The next thing that we can do, if that doesn't work for you, is go into your cellular settings. And you can see I have an eSIM on here. All I need to do is toggle this off. You'll be able to see it disconnects from my carrier, completely disabling the eSIM, but I can just toggle it back on to reconnect to everything. You can see it takes a little bit of time, but then it reconnects to my carrier and I start to get signal again instead of no service. Now, if you go through all of these steps and it still doesn't work for you, let's just go through the process of resetting a few things to help fix that. So you can see I can go through the process of resetting my network settings. Essentially, what this does is it resets all of the settings associated with your network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, but most importantly, your cell phone signal, where your phone, your iPhone, connects to your cell service. So just go through the process of resetting those network settings. A lot of times that fixes it. If it still doesn't fix it, the last thing you can do is a factory hard reset. So what we're going to do is press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo. By doing this hard reset, volume up, volume down, and pressing and holding, you'll wait and hold after this. So don't lift your finger up. Keep holding while it says slide to power off. Keep holding while the iPhone is completely black. And then when you see the Apple logo, that is when you're going to take your finger off of the screen. By doing the hard reset on your iPhone, this almost always fixes that no service issue.